We are back at it again here with another video with Invest for Tomorrow, and we have PROG here on the screen. PROG stock took off and it's been pulling back, and we're going to talk about what has been going on to make it run like it did. And if you watched my video yesterday, you would know why it actually ran. If you watched yesterday's video, if you're coming back, we're going to confirm the information and see it together. But before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity I mentioned this morning over at the Discord. And if you want to get on early with us every single morning, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us, and we're going to jump right into it here with PROG. So the home run of the day was spectacular and beyond expectations. And if you want to get on early with us every single morning and know about these opportunities before they take off, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. And by joining, you'll become part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. So these are the stocks I mentioned this morning. Every single one of them gave us 5 to 10% opportunities, 10 to 20%. But the home run of the day turned out to be GFAI. This stock was sitting sideways and pulling downwards. When we caught it in the pre-market, it hit a low of about 171, jumped up nearly 5%, pulled back down, and in a matter of minutes, you can see here with 42 Vision 2.0, and Ultimate 42 Vision, the upgrade that's coming soon, that bull indicator popped up at around 178, and it took off to a highest point of 35% plus since we mentioned it in the pre-market, all the way to the highest point of possibility of 227, guys. And if you want to get on early with us every single day, we strive for opportunities like these. Check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us, and let's jump into these charts. So here we are with PROG, and PROG took off this morning into the pre-market, going into the bell. And I stated yesterday that the stock was at a point, and I even show proof of why I believed it was going to jump. Now, if you were holding a position, it didn't make a big difference for you. But if you were looking to trade it or actually start a position based off of its movement, it was going to be an opportunity, okay? I stated that when we see white with red borders, there usually is a reversal, okay? Every single time, based off the 30-minute, there is a reversal. Some are smaller than others. Some are stronger than others. This one was in a clear downward path. It hit a little bit lower, and there it came. It went literally from 297 to 365. That was nearly a 25% plus move from the lows to the top. And this is the opportunities we look for every single day. Something just like that example when I was doing the analysis, technical analysis on this stock. So what I'm trying to tell you guys is 42 Vision is pretty powerful. You have access to it by joining the 42 Vision tier level. You gain access to the daily watch list, weekly watch list, and the premium indicators that are all coming and rolling out at no extra cost. Right now, we have 42 Vision available, and we have 42 Vision 2.0 available, right? And you can see here how this is reversing. So even though it's pulled back down, if by any chance this continues this path, right? Let's go ahead and remove this here of green bars, okay? It doesn't reverse back down. Sometimes it only happens a little bit and then it goes back down. But if it comes with some strength like this or some strength like this, this might just be beginning to the upside. The only thing is this bar here is getting a little bit smaller than the previous one, so it might reverse. But if it holds up and continues that path, even though based off the charts, okay, not 42 Vision 2.0, but 42 Vision itself, it is pulling back and it is red on the 30-minute, it may try to come back up. I do want you guys to be aware of that. Now let's go ahead and pull up here Ultimate 42 Vision. Now Ultimate 42 Vision has been in a bear indicator since up here in the 450s. I stated I was going to be watching for a bull indicator and a shift into strength going into today, and here you got it, the bull indicator. So even though this is pulling back, there is no bear indicator like this one anywhere up here. If we don't see one pop up anywhere up here, anywhere down here, even though it's pulling back, it might be a healthy cool off before the next leg up. Now, there's a key level though that I talked about yesterday, and that's up here at the 367, 378/380 mark for the bulls to trap some bears and trap some shorts to pull upwards even higher. Now that didn't happen, okay? That didn't happen. It got rejected at those levels, but it did run. And we are on the 30-minute under a bull indicator. And even though it went into strength, yes, it's shifting back, but 42 Vision 2.0 is still showing some strength. We need to see if that continues, and we need to see if volume continues to pick up. Now, the highest point reached today was 365. That definitely needs to be broken through for this to reach newer highs and trap some shorts. Now, we're going to look at it here off of the 4 hour just to see what is going on overall and the 1 day, how this reacted. Okay, this is super important to break it down here. And on the 4 hour, we went ahead here and saw the same extreme weakness from the 30-minute, and the last time that popped up was way down here at 74 cents. We had not seen it in a while, and there you go. You see that reversal picking up. It is trying to come back up. The next step after these red with green borders, if there's real strength here, would be dark green, then going into green to make a full transition of strength. We need to see on the 4 hour if this could continue, but on the 4 hour with ultimate 42 vision, we have not gotten that green bar yet, right? With 42 vision 2.0, it's still under that pressure. It's been going downward since here. And if we go ahead and look here at ultimate 42 vision, we have not gotten a bull indicator just yet, okay? We are under a bear indicator still. This is super important to realize that it is still underneath that, even though some strength is forming. The key thing I'll be looking for here on the 4 hour is for a bull indicator to pop up and see if it continues to go with strength, if volume continues to catch up to the average 10-day volume, and if it continues to pull this one up higher. Now, if we look here at the 1 day, you could see that things are still slightly struggling because it is still downward trend and it's still under those red candles, okay? Super important to realize that. It is going to be important to see how this continues to play out based off of the bigger picture. Now, the more we zoom in though, on the 15-minute, you could see those shifts happening going into weakness, but the full strength from when I talked about it, watching it today in the pre-market, it took off nearly 25%. And if this can consolidate slightly higher than $2.97 or even slightly higher than $3, stay around this area, bounce back up and work its way up towards the highest point of 365 and break out from it, this could be on its way to newer highs, new resistance levels, and breaking out to eventually trap the shorts. I have told you that the shorts, what they're doing is they're covering really quickly, and as soon as they're done covering, they re-short at those levels and pull it right back down, manipulating the stock, creating these bull traps. But if you want to receive clarity in the charts to maximize on opportunities and be able to catch the dips and ride the rips to maximize on every single opportunity, no matter what chart you're looking at, what stock it is, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. You'll gain access by joining 42 Vision tier level to the weekly watch list, daily watch list, community of like-minded investors all looking to learn and grow together, and opportunities that you'll be able to maximize on with the clarity you deserve through the volatility of the markets. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.